Welcome to the How To series. In this episode, we'll show you how to use SeekFree function on UNV and VR. Let's get started. SeekFree is a smart retrieval feature which introduces a completely new search method. By inputting text descriptions, it helps users quickly find captured images and video clips that meet custom criteria, eliminating the need for complex filtering and time-consuming browsing. Right-click to choose menu, search, and SeekFree. Input the keyword here. For example, truck. Choose date and matching rate, then click search. We can see the results displayed here. Let's try other keywords. A person wearing a hat. Several people are discussing. The recording can be watched here, and the results can be backed up to an external device.